If you have done BSc Nursing, MSc Nursing and want to go to Dubai and work, then this video is for you. So do you know that Dubai is a place where you get tax-free salary? Going to Dubai is very easy for a nurse because there is no requirement of English test there. Neither do you need to give IELTS nor in today's video I will that if you have done your BSc Nursing and MSc Nursing from a place tell you like times India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan and want to go to Dubai and work as a registered nurse, then what will be its process? After that, what are the requirements, which documents are needed and what will be the duration of the complete process? I will tell you how much salary you can get there. How much will this entire process cost you? So let's start the video. Hello, I am Manish Kumar from India. If you are a nurse, then I have already made a video that if you are doing nursing from India and the complete process of how to work as a registered nurse in IJK, then you can check out this video and today's video is going to be this is about Dubai and after this a complete series is going to come in which I will tell you how such registered nurses can work in Australia, Luxembourg and all other countries. If I tell you that then subscribe to the channel immediately and also press the bell icon. So before understanding the process of Dubai, let me give you a little background. Although Dubai is quite famous because of its luxury, do you know that the medical facility there is also top class? Due to this, there is a high demand for the medical field there and due to this the demand for registered nurses also becomes high. So the healthcare system in Dubai is of two types, public sector and private sector. So if you want to become a registered nurse, then you can work in both public and private sectors. If you want to work as a registered nurse in Dubai, your license must be registered with Dubai Healthcare System DHS. So like you, I understand. For example, when you complete your nursing in India, you get a license from the Indian Nursing Council. Only after that you can practice. With this, you will be able to practice in Dubai also. When your license is registered with DHS, the biggest question that comes to your mind is whether the B.Sc nursing done from India is valid times in Dubai, then the direct answer is no. Your B.Sc in nursing or the license you have from India will not work in Dubai. You will have to convert your license into a Dubai license. So I have divided the process into 10 steps so that it is easy for you to understand. So this process of Dubai is quite simple, not complicated. So this time I will not tell you to bring pen and paper and write. If you understand then first of all let us understand. What are the requirements if you want to work as a registered nurse in Dubai? So it has only 3 requirements. First of all, you should have a graduation degree which is in nursing, then either B.Sc nursing or any degree above that will do. If you are a GNM then you cannot work as a registered nurse. You can work in other fields for yourself in Dubai. This video is only a specific register, so I will not go into details. The second requirement is that you must have BLS certification. The third requirement is that you should have 2 years of clinical experience and this experience should not be older than 6 months and your experience should be after your degree competition. This means that if you have a nursing degree, it takes time to get a license in India. So what many times people do is that immediately after the nursing exam, they join clinical and keep working, then their experience from there will not count. Your experience will count from the time you get your license and beyond. The most important English test is a big plus point here in Dubai. If you do not need any English test, then the requirement is not here, Then go to many countries like UK, USA, Canada or Germany or anywhere else. There is a big requirement of English test, so you have to have specific English test has to be given. So there is no limit for giving English test here. You understand that you have to collect a lot of documents in the state, then you need a lot of documents to register in DSA. So before registration you should have all the documents with you, then you will need total documents. A valid passport, 1 passport size photograph, certificates, qualification certificates such as mark sheets, degree certificate, registration certificate, transcript, experience, letters to previous candidates, employment references. You can do it yourself. So this is their online portal. You have to go here and register yourself. So first of all you have to create your account. So I have attached the link in the description. You can go directly from there. For account you have to click on register. You have to fill some basic details. Choose a username you like. Your email ID, password, first name, last name, national phone number. OTP will come on your phone number. Verify it, create an account and proceed further. After that you have to upload all your documents. The days come. Step 4. As soon as you fill the complete form and upload the documents, you will get a final authorization letter. You have to download it. You have to sign your name. After signing, upload it again. If you have to pay the first payment now, then this fee will be the validation fee. Once your application is validated, you will have to pay the 2-day fee. You will have to wait for 6 weeks. Your application will be validated in 6 weeks. The day comes, as soon as your application is validated, you will get a link asking you to make the payment through this link and the next process of your application will take place. So the next process is that your primary source verification will happen. What this means is that all the experience certificates that you have uploaded, your nursing certificates, they will be verified. Then for that you will have to pay 700 something fee. This process will start as soon as you pay the fees. Days come when step 6 is not for you. Step 6. What will the Council of DHA do? Will upload all the references. Wherever you have gained experience, we will contact them. They will verify whether it is original or not. Your nursing license will be verified by your state council to see if it is fake. So it will come as soon as the verification is done. In step 7 steps, you will get a result of positive and negative assessment. So the primary source verification, the verification of all your documents, if everything is correct, then you will get a positive assessment. That positive assessment means you are 0K to go next. If you get a negative assessment, then your process starts. So once you get a positive assessment, so after this you have to do the next step, and the next step is that you have to give DNA test. So the name of DHA exam is DHA test and DHA test. It is similar to CBT in the IJK. There will be a 2-hour paper and total questions will be asked in 2 hours. You will have to correct the questions to get the passing percentage, and after that your next step will come. If you fail in this exam, then you will have 2 more chances. There are total 3 chances. If you fail to pass in 3 chances, DHS will cancel your entire application. And you can apply for next application only when you have studied further and show that you have improved your knowledge. Only you can apply. So if you apply for this exam, then apply only after preparing well. These basic questions are asked from the nursing syllabus only, so I will attach some links in the description. You can go and check yourself what type of questions are there, and the result of DHA comes in 5 days. So as soon as you pass, DHA approval letter will be issued to you. And this letter means that you can now go to Dubai and do registered work. But there are a few more steps before that. So as soon as they issue you the letter, the validity of the letter will be of 1 year, and in this 1 year you have to reach Dubai after searching for a job. So your step will be to search for a job. So there is no need to go to Dubai to search for a job. There are many online portals where you can search for jobs. So to search job in Dubai, this website is bit.com, Naukri, Gulf Talent and Dubai Careers, read LinkedIn. So, you should create your profile very well on all the websites. For example, when you go to LinkedIn, create your profile very well. As you update your profile, and as soon as the vacancy comes in, as soon the medical field, you should also set your alert so that you get alerted that the vacancy has opened here. So if you create an attractive profile, then the HR there will contact you. So as soon as the job vacancy opens, you keep applying in it, and as soon as your resume is selected, your entire process will be online. The interview will be online, so once you get the job, your employer or hospital will initiate the visa process for you. After that you can go to Dubai and work as a registered nurse. So this entire process, including the cost of visa, will be borne by your employer for you. So you understand what the salary in Dubai will be. This is the average salary for a registered nurse in Dubai. So here the monthly salary starts from Rs 5,000. Nursing salary can increase to 8,000 rupees to 12,000 rupees depending on your experience. The number of salary which is there in UK or other country is like a proxy of the salary here. It appears slightly higher in other countries. Taxes are also very high in other countries, due to which your salary is very less. Your overall salary in Dubai will also be very good because you will not have pay tax, so your salary here is very good and you will be very good in saving. So what is the living cost there? How much do you want to save there? If you want to know, please write in the comment section. I will try to make its video also. So the salary is good. Apart from this, you will get many other benefits which are also discussed below. So first of all, you will get relocation scheme if you go from India to Dubai. First time. So the cost of flight, the cost of staying there, the cost of food. You will get relocation allowance. Second, there you will either get nursing allowance or you will get a hostel to stay for free. Third, there you will get insurance, holiday, and once a year you will get a flight ticket with which you can go to your home country and go back. There are many very good benefits, so some freshers who are watching the video till the end have this in their mind. There must be doubt that I have already said that 2 years of experience is mandatory. So if you are a fresher, can you apply? Then the answer is for you. Even if you are a fresher, you can apply. During COVID's time, many nurses were hired there even without DHA test, and the experience was not seen then. So even now many places are like this. Many hospitals where the demand is so high that they do not share their experiences. So even if you are a fresher, you can apply. So, I am not from the nursing field, but I have done a lot of research to provide complete information to you. So I may have missed some point. I have explained as much as I could. So please do me a favor and please like this video. So I'll meet you in my next video. And if you want to know the nursing process of any country, then you can definitely write in the comment section, and if you have any doubt then also tell in the comment section. I will try to reply to you in my next video. Bye bye.